Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the text size on Snapchat. Well, there is no actually real option on Snapchat. Like, let's see if I launch Snapchat and I'll launch my settings. Okay, there's no real option for you to change how the text appears. You can't change it from here, but you can actually change. You need to change the whole phone's settings or the whole phone's text size. So how you can do that is actually go on to settings. Now from settings you're going to scroll down. You're going to scroll down all the way to display, and from display you're going to scroll down all the way to font size and style. Then you're going to choose whatever whatever size you want. I'll probably take this, and once you choose it, you're going to back, and now the font size is increased. Now if I go on to Snapchat and I go here, as you can see, you're going to find all the font is much more bigger. You're going to find it bigger and like every single place. So yeah, this is basically how you can increase the text size on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.